हाय फ्रेंड्स, क्यू कार्ड का टॉपिक है डिस्क्राइब अ टाइम व्हेन यू गॉट लॉस्ट इन अ प्लेस दैट यू डिड नॉट नो अबाउट। अंदर के बुलेट्स हैं व्हेन वाज इट, सेकंड हु वाज विथ यू, थर्ड व्हाट डिड यू डू देन एंड फोर्थ वन हाउ यू फेल्ट अबाउट इट। अब पहले इसका मीनिंग समझेंगे। डिस्क्राइब अ टाइम व्हेन यू गॉट लॉस्ट इन अ प्लेस दैट यू डिड नॉट नो अबाउट, यानी कोई ऐसे समय के बारे में बताइए जब आप खो गए, कोई ऐसी जगह पे खो गए जिसको लेके आप अनजान थे, या तो फिर वो जगह नहीं थी या आप वो जगह के बारे में ज़रा भी नहीं जानते थे। When was it? When did this happen? यानी ऐसा कब हुआ था। Who was with you? आपके साथ कौन था। ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके साथ कोई हो, आप ऐसा भी बता सकते हो कि आप अकेले थे, या तो फिर किसी का नाम बता सकते हो। And what did you do? खो जाने पे आपने क्या किया। And last one, how you felt about it? आप खो गए, शायद आपने वापस रास्ता ढूंढ लिया वगैरह वगैरह, जो भी आप आपकी जर्नी बताएंगे। सो उसमें आपको एंड में कैसा फील हुआ। अब देखेंगे कि 1 मिनट के थिंकिंग टाइम में हम पेपर पे क्या स्क्रिबल करेंगे, ताकि उस पॉइंट्स की हेल्प से हम अपने क्यू कार्ड को इलॉबरेट करके अच्छे से बोल सके। सो सबसे पहले हमें पूछा गया है व्हेन डिड दिस हैपन। सो ऐसा कब हुआ था। वी कैन राइट अ फ्यू वीक्स अगो। Who was with you? Alone? What did you do then? So you can say try to search, take help of a shoe store owner, contacted my friend, and how you felt about it में आप लिख सकते हो nervous, horrified, confused, angry, tired, foolish, etc. This is kind of a very funny memory, and it happened a few weeks ago. There was a new constructed mall in our city, and it had just inaugurated. So I really wanted to visit the mall. I requested my friend that we should go there because it was very gigantic and one of the biggest malls in comparison to all the other malls in our city. But my friend had already been there twice with some of his other friends, so he refused that. He doesn't want to join and he was busy. I was really thrilled and I was restless. I could not wait, so I decided to go to that mall all alone. What happened is, when I entered the mall, I was amazed by the decorations of the mall. Live concerts were going on, music was being played, there were flowers around. So I just kept on walking and walking without paying attention to where I was walking, or without even looking at the map of the mall. It was only when I felt a little hungry and I started looking for the cafeteria that I realized that I was lost. Neither could I find the cafeteria nor could I find the exit. So first I started looking for the exit or way to get out myself, but the mall was really like a maze. I just couldn't understand what was happening, and the fear then started increasing my confusion. I tried to ask few people over there, but because the mall was new, nobody could guide me. I went to one shoe store and I inquired to the owner about how to get out of the mall. He was kind enough to guide me, but there were a lot of customers in his shop and he couldn't give me much attention, and I also couldn't completely understand what he was trying to tell me. Finally, I was horrified and I felt really foolish of myself to do something like this. I had no choice but to call my friend. I called him and I confessed, and I told him that I have come to this mall alone and I'm lost and I'm really afraid and confused. So please guide me. My friend first laughed at me and then he told me to calm down, and he suggested me a very simple trick. He told me to just ask the security guard about where is the lift, and take a lift and go to the parking, and then find my vehicle and come back home. It was so simple, but in this fear, in this nervousness which I was feeling, I just couldn't think. I was out of my mind. So I followed my friend's instructions. I did what he told me to. I took the lift, I came down in the parking lot, and I could find my vehicle and I reached back home. I really think that I was foolish at that time, but today when I think back, I'm glad. At that time I thought that I could never have reached home. I felt really afraid. But I'm glad that I'm back home and I could find myself way back home. इस क्यू कार्ड से जुड़े क्वेश्चंस, कमेंट्स और फीडबैक आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं. ऑल द बेस्ट.